She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a couple different hair blends. So for this first one, this is a blend request and we're blending the color 99J and 30 together. And I'm actually glad that I got this request because this is a blend that I've been wanting to do myself to put on my website to sell. So I'd like to get you guys' opinion on this blend and tell me what you think of it, if you think this is something that you or anyone that you know would be interested. I like this blend because this is more of like neutral colors. I know a lot of people like the neutral colors, so we have like the warm neutral, which is the color 30, and then we have the cool neutral, which is the color 99J. And this blend would be for someone who isn't wanting to like demand a lot of attention. So maybe you work somewhere that doesn't allow you to get color. This would be a good blend for you. The natural colors, that 99J, it's not really technically a natural color, but when it's blended with the 30, it kind of evens it out. The 99J is a good substitute for like purple. It's not so bold. So again, this is something for someone that is wanting something more subtle, more like easy on the eyes, I would say. Make sure to watch this video all the way through because I'm going to show each of these blends twisted and braided up so you guys can kind of get a visual of what they'll look like in a style. And then I would like to ask you guys to comment below once you watch the whole video. Comment below 1, 2, or 3 which blend is your top favorite. And then if you have like a name suggestion for either one of these blends, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. This next one is another blend request, so we'll be blending the colors 99J, red, and 2. So for the red, I'm using this color 130, and I think on camera it shows up a little different than in person. And then the color 2. Now for this blend, I think this is a blend since we have the neutral color still, but with that red, you're really trying to draw attention. So this is someone who is very lively, someone who is bold, fierce. Even if that's not your personality, it could just be like the mood that you're in or the occasion that you are getting your braids or style for. So this is something that is going to draw some attention and help you to stand out. This is definitely a blend that is going to set you apart or draw in some attention when you step into a room. So that's who this blend is for. I think this is a nice blend, and I don't think this is a blend that's just too bright because it, like I said, with the neutral colors, that 99J and that color 2, which is black, when it's added to the red, it kind of tones it down a little bit. It makes it not so just overwhelming. so for this last blend, this is not a blend request. I just wanted to give you guys a third blend to choose from. Now this blend, we're mixing the colors 130 again, which is that red, 27, and the color 613, which is like a really bright blonde. Now this blend right here is going to, you have a lot of bright colors, so this is, I feel like this blend is good for the summertime, but it also reminds me of like a candy cane almost. So it could work in the wintertime, like around Christmas-ish time. But just because of the bright colors, I think this blend would be perfect to wear in the summertime. The thing I like about this blend is how the colors 27 and 613 were longer than the color 130, the red color. And I like this because it's going to give you that ombre effect. This wasn't on purpose, it just happened to be the lengths of the hairs that I had. But it's going to give you that ombre effect, and I like that the 27 and the 613 are the ones that's longer because the red is already fire. You know, it's already bright and fierce and bold, so it kind of just like dulls it down just a little bit when it transitions at the bottom. So if you're ever wanting to try a hair blend and try a color that you're maybe not so sure about, I would try to do a ombre mix. So try to do something where like the colors are different lengths. Also, another tip on that is to do just a couple braids. So if you're doing, let's just say an example, a style like knotless box braids, and you're wanting to try a hair blend, you're not so sure about it, maybe just do like 2 rows in the back of the hair blend color and then do the rest your natural hair colored. So that way they call it peekaboo, that's the style name. So that way you have like the peekaboo look where the colors in the back and the black braids are hiding it, so you can pull it out if you want to, you can put it in a ponytail if you want to show it, but you can kind of just test it out without fully testing it out, if that makes sense. I personally like the way this hair blend looks best compared to the other two, but me personally, if I were to wear it, it would have to be something like how I just described, like a peekaboo style or just like a couple braids on the side. I probably wouldn't do a full head of this color, even though visually I like the way it looks, but like just on me, I don't think it's something that I would just wear a full head on. In a little bit, I'm going to show you guys what this blend looks like twisted and braided up as well. Let me know down in the comments which blend you guys like the best, and meaning like which blend you would wear, because I know a lot of you guys like the bright multicolored ones, but a lot of you, let's be honest, probably wouldn't wear it. A lot of you like more like wearing the neutral colors. And then like I said, if you guys have any name suggestions for either one of these, feel free to leave it down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like these blends, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.